Use questioning as a method to learn English tenses. Each question takes 10 seconds. You can pause the video if you need more time to think. Question number 411. Which tense is used for future actions based on an intention or decision made now? A. Simple present. B. Present continuous, for future. C. Simple future, will. D. Future continuous. Correct answer, present continuous, I am meeting him tomorrow. Question number 412. Which tense is used for a past habit or routine? A. Simple present. B. Simple past. C. Past continuous. D. Past perfect. Correct answer, simple past, I used to walk to school. Question number 413. Which tense expresses an action that will be happening at a specific future moment? A. Simple future. B. Future continuous. C. Future perfect. D. Present continuous. Correct answer, future continuous. Question number 414. Which tense indicates that one past action happened before another past action? A. Simple past. B. Past continuous. C. Past perfect. D. Present perfect. Correct answer, past perfect. Question number 415. Which tense focuses on the result of an action that continues up to the present? A. Simple past. B. Present perfect. C. Past perfect. D. Present continuous. Correct answer, present perfect. Question number 416. Which tense describes a general truth or law of nature? A. Present continuous. B. Simple present. C. Simple past. D. Simple future. Correct answer, simple present. Question number 417. Which tense emphasizes the ongoing nature of an action that began in the past and continues into the present? A. Present perfect. B. Present perfect continuous. C. Past continuous. D. Simple present. Correct answer, present perfect continuous, I have been studying for 3 hours. Question number 418. Which tense is used for actions that are part of a fixed schedule? A. Present continuous. B. Simple present. C. Simple future. D. Future continuous. Correct answer, simple present, the flight departs at 10 a.m. Question number 419. Which tense is used for spontaneous decisions about the future? A. Present continuous. B. Simple future, will. C. Be going to future. D. Simple present. Correct answer, simple future, will, I'll help you with that. Question number 420. Which tense describes an action that was happening at a particular point in the past? A. Simple past. B. Past continuous. C. Past perfect. D. Present continuous. Correct answer, past continuous. Like, share, comment and subscribe.